And welcome back. In the last video, we set up this front end and back end on the actual DigitalOcean, and it's running as it should. And in this video, we're going to set up a different domain. So the only way to access this is to go through this domain here, which that's not realistic to have that. So we're going to set up a new domain, and I'm going to show you how to connect it to DigitalOcean, and then we're going to point it to this application. So I'm going to start off fresh. I don't have any like domains just laying around, I don't think. So I'm going to start off fresh here. I'm just going to let's see if we can stick with this fun little name here. Vendure. $40 a year. Oh my gosh. All right. So we have it. We have the domain. And now we're going to basically point it to DigitalOcean to manage it for us. So we're going to do a custom DNS, and we're going to type in NS1, NS2, and then we're going to do NS3. NS3. Save that. This could take, yeah, so it says could take up to 48 hours to take effect, so let's circle back to that in a little bit. Maybe it's small. All right, now what we're going to do is go into DigitalOcean under our networking tab. We're going to, I believe we have to type in our domain. And we're going to add it. Now I think we can go into our app and under settings, domains, add a domain. And we're going to let DigitalOcean manage it. We already did this part. Copy and paste the name servers into the DNS provider's name server records. We did that. Add domain. Okay. It's deployed. SSL error. Okay. Not sure what happened there. Looks like it is linked up. Let's double check something here. Domains linked up. All right. I think we're good. So at this point, we have most of it done. There's one more thing that I think to be complete we have to do, which is set up a space. And a space is like a file system, like a managed file system type of thing. And inside and that's to handle our assets. So inside our Vendure config, notice that we have this asset server plugin. And I believe we want to update this with our URL to access our asset server. The issue is I haven't quite done this yet because the asset server uses a key to do something, so they have a key, and so I'm not sure how to plug that in here. I haven't really tried this part yet, so I'll do this in a video maybe tomorrow or so, but I will try to I'll try to get that up maybe tomorrow night. I think this was a good quick little session, and yeah, I'll see you probably tomorrow for another one.